Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore.
Experience the ultimate outdoor adventure with the Valtcan Titanium Canteen Kit. This versatile and durable kit features a stackable design for easy storage and transport. The large 1-liter capacity canteen has a reinforced body and fits perfectly into the mess kit. The 2 bottom-layer mess kits come with foldable handles for convenient carrying, and the included carrying case makes it easy to take your gear on the go. Our upgraded canteen case now features a large front pocket and a lid for added storage and convenience. You can store and heat up your meals directly on open flames, enjoying the pure taste of food cooked over a campfire. Upgrade to titanium and experience the difference. Titanium is lightweight, durable, and non-reactive, ensuring your food stays pure and delicious. Buy now and enjoy your next outdoor adventure with the Valtcan Titanium Canteen Kit. At just $62, this affordable and high-quality gear is a must-have for any camper, hiker, or outdoor enthusiast. Are you an outdoor cooking enthusiast who craves the smoky flavor of grilled food, no matter where you roam? Look no further than the Cuisinart BQ Portable Charcoal Grill. This compact marvel is designed to deliver delicious grilled meals anywhere your adventures take you. With its spacious 196 square inch chrome-plated cooking rack, you can grill up a feast for friends and family. The dual venting system ensures optimal charcoal management and temperature control, so you can achieve that perfect sear every time. Transporting this grill is a breeze thanks to its secure lid locks. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, or tailgating, this lightweight and portable design makes it easy to take along. Safety and durability are top priorities. The enamel-coated firebox and mess-free ash catcher ensure easy cleaning and long-lasting performance. So, if you're ready to elevate your outdoor grilling experience, the Cuisinart BQ Portable Charcoal Grill is the perfect companion. Get yours today and start grilling delicious meals wherever your adventures lead. When you're out in the wild, keeping up with personal hygiene can be tricky, but essential for your well-being and comfort. Enter the Brarvagur Portable Camping Shower, a true game-changer for outdoor lovers. Powered by a durable 6,000 mAh battery, it delivers a steady flow of water for up to 150 minutes, ensuring you have plenty of time for all your washing needs. This shower stands out with its advanced LED display, providing clear readings of battery life and water temperature, so you can shower safely and confidently. The pump, equipped with a dependable and quiet motor, lets you adjust the water flow, maximizing efficiency and conserving water. Versatility is key with 4 water dispensing settings and a PP element for water purification, making it perfect for addressing skin concerns after bathing. Lightweight and easy to carry, it comes with a mesh organizer bag, ideal for storage and transportation. Whether you're camping, hiking, hitting the beach, or exploring the great outdoors. Plus, its Type-C interface doubles as a charger for your electronic devices, adding an extra layer of convenience and utility when you're off the grid. Imagine spending a night under the stars, bathed in cool breezes and illuminated by a bright, comfortable light. The Odoland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan is your ultimate camping companion, designed to enhance your outdoor adventures. This versatile lantern features ultra-bright LED lighting that provides ample illumination for your campsite and tent, and the built-in fan offers adjustable settings for optimal air circulation. Powered by a high-quality brushless motor, the fan operates quietly while delivering a powerful breeze. Lightweight and compact, the Odoland lantern is easy to pack and transport. With a battery life of up to 37 hours, including 20 hours for LED light, you can enjoy its benefits throughout your camping trip. Experience the difference the Odoland Portable LED Camping Lantern makes. It's more than just a lantern, it's a game changer for your outdoor adventures. Be prepared for anything. Adventure Medical Kits, Sportsman Series 300 Outdoor First Aid Kit. In any outdoor adventure, ensuring you're equipped to handle emergencies is paramount. The Adventure Medical Kit's Sportsman Series 300 Outdoor First Aid Kit is a comprehensive solution designed to accommodate groups of 1 to 6 people for 1 to 7 days. This medical kit is packed with life-saving trauma supplies, including a detachable field kit for on-the-go emergencies and a larger kit for base camp. It features essential items like the Wound Stop trauma dressing to stop bleeding from field injuries, animal attacks, and knife wounds, as well as a wide elastic bandage and various dressings to stabilize fractures and sprain. The kit also includes a wilderness first aid quick guide for easy reference in treating a range of injuries and illnesses. Waterproof, lightweight, and compact, it's ideal for hunting, fishing, snowmobiling, ATV trips, and more. With hospital-quality contents and organized pockets for quick access, the Sportsman Series 300 ensures you're prepared for whatever the wilderness throws your way. In emergency situations or outdoor adventures, a reliable and versatile piece of gear can be crucial for survival and comfort. The Go Time Gear Life Bivy Emergency Sleeping Bag is a must-have for any emergency kit. Made from durable polyethylene, this imported survival bivy sack can be used as an emergency sleeping bag, a makeshift blanket, or part of a survival shelter while camping. Its tear and puncture-resistant PE material with 26 micrometer mylar reflects 90% of your body heat, providing essential warmth. Its windproof and waterproof design ensures protection against the elements, making it ideal for rain, wind, and snow. Weighing only 4.1 ounces, this lightweight bivy packs down compactly into a 4-inch by 3-inch stuff sack. The stuff sack includes a 120 decibel whistle, capable of alerting rescuers up to a mile away. Go Time Gear ensures reliability, whether you're using it for survival, hiking, or as part of a bug-out bag. With a commitment to customer satisfaction, the Go Time Gear Life Bivy, featuring a paracord drawstring for additional survival applications, provides essential protection and peace of mind in emergency scenarios. While a trusty pack of tinder is essential, the UCO Survival Stormproof Match Kit is something every outdoor enthusiast should consider. This reliable fire-starting kit contains 15 compact, stormproof matches, ready to ignite in any weather condition, making them a vital tool for any survival situation. These matches are not your average fire starters. They're both windproof and waterproof, and remarkably, even if submerged in water, they can be relit, showcasing their unmatched dependability. The matches are securely stored in a sealed case with a built-in striker, ensuring quick and easy ignition whenever needed. Each match burns for a full 12 seconds, providing you with approximately 3 minutes of life-saving fire in each kit. This isn't just another piece of gear. The WEYLAND Bushcraft Settler's Tool is a lifeline in the wilderness. This hand auger is your key to crafting emergency shelters effortlessly, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're camping, hiking, backpacking, practicing bushcraft skills, or embracing a primitive lifestyle, this tool belongs in your pack. Its ease of use is remarkable. Simply turn the 1-inch wood auger drill bit to create your desired hole and utilize a stick through the eye for extra leverage. But that's not all. This multi-tool also features a peg tool. The Scotch-eyed auger has a cutting point designed to double as a peg wrench. Hammer it into a branch to create a peg perfectly sized for the wood auger bit. The WEYLAND Bushcraft Settler's Tool is more than just an auger. It's your ultimate bushcraft companion, ready to tackle any challenge. It even comes with a leather sheath, convenient portability. Be prepared for anything nature throws your way with this indispensable tool by your side. Essential for outdoor adventures like camping, backpacking, or hiking, reliable utensils are key to enjoying delicious meals. But traditional options can be bulky and heavy, causing inconvenience on the trail. Enter the HIKENTURE 4-in-1 Camping Utensils, compact and lightweight solution for outdoor dining. This versatile set combines a fork, spoon, knife, and bottle opener in one, maximizing functionality while minimizing space and weight in your pack. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these utensils are rust-proof, strong, and reusable, offering a sustainable alternative to disposable plastic cutlery. With a polished coating to prevent sticking and rust, They ensure a hassle-free dining experience in any outdoor setting. Upgrade your outdoor dining experience with the HIKENTURE 4-in-1 camping utensils and enjoy convenient, sustainable, and worry-free meals on your next adventure. Winter games just got a whole lot cozier with the ACELETIQS heated stadium seat. Say goodbye to shivering in the stand. This portable seat has backpack straps so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. With dual heat zones, it keeps both your back and bottom toasty warm, making those chilly stadiums a thing of the past. The high-density memory foam cushions feel like your favorite couch, providing amazing back support and plush padded armrests. Plus, with electric heating, a portable power bank, and 2 remotes, you can achieve the perfect level of warmth for ultimate comfort. But that's not all. This seat also offers 6 reclining positions, multiple pockets for snacks, and a cup holder, making it feel like a little piece of home at any game. So whether you're cheering indoors or outdoors, stay warm and comfortable with the ACELETIQS heated stadium seat.